Okay, guys, we're going to start off today with a very quick, simple get ready with me for work. I'm taking my Poreless Me Absolute New York primer paired with my She Glam primer from She Glam, Shein from Shein. I've been in love with this primer, and I don't think I have ever paired it with my Absolute New York Poreless Me. I know I love my Poreless Me. This She Glam is a gripping primer, but it's not really tacky. So as long as it's not tacky, then we're good to go. And then next up, after I do primer, today's look is I think it's just going to be concealer and powder. Y'all know we go through this ever so often with my microphone not being charged. And today was one of those days where I realized I only probably had about 2 or 3 minutes worth of battery life. So I decided to do the voiceover and then I'll step in toward the end and talk to you guys. Yeah, I loved something about She Glam makeup. It's either hit or miss. For the ones that I've purchased recently, it's really been a hit, especially with the primers. Or maybe I'm kind of biased because I love primers. I love lip primers. I love face primers. I love eye primers. Give me primer, 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 and I love it. So I took a little bit of my ColourPop Lippy Stick primer to prime my lips with. And of course, I'm telling y'all, like, it makes no sense what I'm about to do. But I saw it on the side and I'm like, why not? It's my NYX Glue Primer. Like, Nana, why did you put three primers on your face? You got one face. You probably only need one primer. Please, guys, drop down and let me know if you are like me. Do you put on primers also like this? Do you do more than one primer? I can do up to three primers. One for hydration, one for pores, and one for tackiness. Like it's just I just enjoy mixing stuff. Mixing is my thing. So next I'm going to use my Precisely My Brow Benefits Pencil in the shade 5. Then I'll use that to fill in my brows. But first, I had to push them up. That's the only way I can really kind of see. I kind of sometimes I feel like, hey, Nana, you got an arch. And sometimes I'm like, no, you don't have an arch. Go sit down somewhere. And I had to make one. But I like this pencil. I really enjoy this pencil. Do I enjoy the price point? No, I don't. The price point is 28, close to $30. But I always tend to get like maybe like 5 or 6 during the Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale. For some reason, they always have this on sale. And then sometimes, like during the Ulta sale, Sephora will try to match like what Ulta has going on. So they'll have uh, it on sale. Do they sell that? They'll have certain things on sale, the same things that Ulta has if they carry it. So be sure to like look at both sites if you're shopping for sales during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. But anyway, so I'm just filling it in like I normally would. This was the day before Christmas Eve. Yeah, it was. So that was Monday. This is Monday. It was a very like, oh gosh, I gotta get up and go to work. I thank the Lord I have a job. I got a job that I can get up and go to. I thank the Lord that I can get up, first of all, because a lot of people did not wake up this morning. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for waking up, being blessed, being in my right mind, being in great health. Um, just grateful, grateful, grateful. And sometimes I remind myself to show gratitude, to be thankful for what I have. Sometimes you have to be thankful for what you don't have, because that's the real blessing. You know, some things you think you need, but you honestly really don't need them, and you need to learn to be thankful for. Lord, thank you for not giving me what I asked for, because you knew better than me that that was something that I didn't need. So thank you, Lord, for that. And then I'm taking a concealer. I don't even know because my head was turned. I don't know how you doing a voiceover. You ain't even looking at the video. I'm just talking. See, when y'all get me to talking, this is what happens. Anyway, so I'm pretty sure I probably took what I took, y'all, a Too Faced concealer. Because it's just a simple look. So I went in with my complexion shades. I probably took Too Faced Chestnut, and then I'm gonna take NYX Camel Golden. Golden. Oh no. It's the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Camel. It's a shade Camel. and I'm gonna blend it all over my face with a damp sponge because I wanted a very skin-like, very natural, not doing too much type makeup look. And that's why I blended it with a damp sponge. If you know me, you know I'm not a big fan of damp sponges because I feel like I pay too much for the product for me to be sucking it up with a damp sponge. But uh, this didn't suck up too much. Like I try to make sure that I really like squeeze my sponge like really tight, so that way it's not real wet. So yeah, but yeah, I'm just using that because I wanted it to be skin like. I keep saying that. Nana, stop saying that, y'all. I gotta come back before the new year. Look out because I want to tell you my favorites of 2024. Which, if you have been watching my video for quite some time, you probably can tell me better than I could tell you what my favorite products are. So for my loyal subscribers and watchers, like it won't be no surprise when I tell y'all what's my favorite items because y'all see me use them all the time. Then I go in with this Beauty Bar caffeine concealer and cinnamon. And you know your favorites when you know the name without even looking at it. So it's in the shade cinnamon, and I just did that to give me like a little more of a highlight, like a little 1, 2 highlight, like pop, 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 pop. Yeah. So, and I put it on my eyelids too, because that was going to be my base. I swear, in the mornings, and then I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows too. I need to this weekend or sometime I need to clean them up with a razor or whatever. With some hairs growing on the bottom. You know I don't go get them waxed or threaded because every time I do, it breaks me out. No matter how many times I try, no matter how many times I try to make sure I like clean it right after it's done and all of that. I always break out. So threading and waxing doesn't work for me. I don't know. I don't know. I have the most sensitive skin and body you could think of. I can't eat this. It's so many things, y'all, that I can't eat. It's so many things. I'm taking my chestnut liner to line my lips with while I'm waiting for the concealer to get kind of tacky. It's so many things I can't eat. It's so many things that I can't use because it'll break me out. Like it's just so many things. And have the things like tomatoes. I like tomatoes. I can't eat tomatoes. Every time I eat tomatoes, it breaks me out. Pickles. I like pickles. Can't eat pickles. It breaks me out. Peaches. Peaches make me itch in the inside. Like who itches in the inside? And who that when I tell you that's a feeling that you don't want to have, an itch that you can't scratch because it's in the inside. I don't know if it's the fuzz on the peach or whatever, but I have been trying all my life to eat them. Can't eat them. I instantly start itching in the inside. I just remember growing up as a little girl and my grandma. I don't know if you're from the South or whatever. My grandma had fig trees in her yard. And every time I would go outside and play and go around the fig tree, for whatever reason, my nose would start bleeding. My eyes would be red and my nose would start bleeding. And if you know figs, like you know fig Newton, if you ever heard of like those kind of like sweet snacks called fig Newtons. Everybody eats them. Like I even like them, but I can't eat them. I couldn't even go around the tree that made the little fruit. Like who knows starts bleeding just from playing around a fruit tree. So yeah, so that's why when y'all see me with a product and I use the product all the time and I'm always raving about a product, it's because I know that it's not going to freak me out. It hasn't caused me any issues. My body likes it, my skin likes it, and I like it. So we have a good combination going on. So that's just something that I just have to stick with. So I'm taking this translucent by Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder collection that they no longer carry. It amazes me, and up to this day, I don't know why they got rid of it. But yeah, I used to love the Too Faced Peach Perfect primer, the setting spray, the translucent powder. They even had a foundation. The whole line, in my opinion, was worth every single penny, but they got rid of it. And I don't know why. I don't know why these companies do the half the things they do, but they do. My goal for 2025, Lord willing, is to like start getting PRs, have companies actually start reaching out to me, wanting to work with me, get brand deals and all of that. Because right now, I think I've been on YouTube probably like 4 to 5 years. I'm not sure. I have to go back and see. 4 to 5 years. So I just feel like now is my time to like really, really push. You know what I mean? Really, really push and just do my thing. Just keep being myself, keep being who I am, and hopefully one day, like the YouTube algorithm will push me out there for more people to notice that, hey, I'm here. Check her channel out. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's my goal is to really work more on my production because you all know that I am the star of this show. I'm the producer of this show, the executive producer of this show, the editor. What else am I? I'm everything. Written, directed, produced by Nana. It's like a Tyler Perry movie, baby. I do it all. I do, I do, I do. So, and then I'm going to try to incorporate more like mini vlogs in my near future. I can't really say like vlogs because y'all know I'm just about as boring can get. Like, I don't do a whole lot. I do a little bit here and there, but I'll make a mental note to kind of like show y'all my boringness and how it's okay for me to just be boring. I just do the most random stuff around the house. I do the random stuff. I harass mama all day and she gets tired of me and she stopped answering the phone because she's tired of me. And that's it. All I do is random stuff and then I harass mama all day long. So yeah, that's my life. Like I can be in the house all day by myself and it doesn't bother me. I find plenty ways to entertain myself. Trust me. I really do. Yeah, y'all just have to I'm quite sure I showed y'all the products because I'm not even looking at the doggone computer while I'm doing a voiceover, but y'all know the products I'm using because I'm quite sure I showed it to y'all. Just know that uh, I'll probably try to do the look. Uh, I'll probably try to do the looks another time, but with my microphone on, because me and voiceovers, no, we don't, we don't do nothing. We don't get along at all. Me and voiceovers is like I'd rather just sit down, talk to y'all while I'm in the process of doing it, not wait until after and come back and talk. Well, I'm gonna jump back in, show y'all the completed skin like look, and I didn't even put on mascara. This is the day that I forgot to put on mascara, baby, but I made it. I made it through the day. Spray my face, set my face, and then I'm gonna come back in and show y'all the end results. Bye, guys. Okay, I gotta hurry up because I don't have much battery life. This is the completed, very simple pre New Year's Eve makeup look. My hair is not tangled. Put some oil on it. This is a sweater dress that I got out of Mama's closet. She thought I wasn't gonna be able to fit it, but I fit it just fine. And this is the vest. If you saw that Shein haul, this is the kind of like surfer vest. I just paired it together with some boots. I know you can't hardly see, but I'm pressed for time. I gotta get out the door. But yeah, this is the completed look. Just using concealer is my favorite go-to. That NYX Bare With Me concealer is amazing. Drugstore concealer. I've said it time and time again. Yeah, this is the completed look. Let me see. I try to see if I can put some oil on my hair to tame the frizz, and I'm out of here. If you enjoyed today's video, give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel out a lot. Peace out. Bye, y'all. No battery.